Hello, everybody, and welcome into PristineFrog Gaming. My name is PristineFrog, aka Froggo, and today we are going to do the cliche my first Twitch payout video. Now, obviously, we have been on Twitch now for a little over 6 months. We have just reached the 200 follower mark, and we have gotten payouts more than once. So let's look at that. But before we go and look at the actual analytics, I want to say a few things about my channel, why my Twitch payouts are different than some of the other people that I know who stream, and hopefully you guys can get some good information out of this that will help you in your streams or just to pique your curiosity. So I came from YouTube. I had about 450 subscribers on YouTube, and I multi-streamed with Streamlab OBS Prime to both YouTube and Twitch to try to pull over all of my viewers from over there to over here, and it worked rather well. And then I stopped live streaming on YouTube when I hit the affiliate mark, which was really fast. I'm also part of two Minecraft communities. Well, I'm on three now, but at the time we were two. We were on Evercraft, which is a beautiful SMP of a lot of family-friendly and very amazing people with great building skills and just a good time. And I'm no longer a part of that SMP. I'm still part of the community. I'm still in their Discord, and I still chat with people when I can. But I had to move on from that. We are also on Bedrock or Bust, which used to be known as Big Braincraft, and that is a Minecraft Bedrock community SMP, not community, but it's SMP for content creators. So it was all content creators, really helped me focus in on like content creation and what I want to do. And those two communities is what's made my life a beautiful, beautiful experience. And then, of course, later on, we joined up with the Phantom SMP, or Phantom Limb 520. And again, he is a streamer on Twitch, and we've come to an amazing community of streamers that we are a part of now. And it is a beautiful, beautiful experience, and that's what's helped me grow to where I'm at today. So let's go ahead and look at the money. Now, it's not all about the money, guys, but it is. This is our first Twitch payout for our affiliate status. As you can see here, we were not monetized until April 11th, and then we started making money after that. Now, the reason why I say that the money is not, it's not about the money, but it is because I run a Java server, a modded Java server. I also run a Bedrock server that is starting on December 1st. And we have plans for a Skyblock server for both Bedrock and Java coming up soon. And the Twitch payouts is what pays for those servers, and it's what pays for my Twitch emotes and stuff like that. So there is all of that. Now, my first payout, and I've known a lot of streamers who don't make their first payout for a couple of months, and I don't know. We're small, as you see, 4.6 average viewers. We had barely any follows in the month, but we have a lot of crazy people who watch me. I love y'all, but y'all crazy. So we have a lot of gifted subs, and truthfully, that's probably when you hit affiliate status. Gifted subs is probably going to be your number one amount of income from fans if that's what you have watching. But as you see, we have $30 in Prime subs. We have $82 basically in gifted subs. We have ads don't really make you any money, guys, unless you have thousands upon thousands of viewers, and even then, it's nothing. By then, you're making so much money on gifted subs and Prime subs and subs that still the ads are going to equal nothing compared to your rest of your revenue stream. Cheering, $32. Extensions such as sound alerts or stickers and stuff like that is where you get the other amount of money from. Now, this is also not average from what I've seen of all the other streamers that I know. There's a few of us who are above average for our size, and that is a beautiful thing. But from what I'm seeing, this is not the average. Most people are waiting a couple of months for a payout, and some people have more than this. It just depends on you and your community that you've built around you, and who you have. So let's keep moving along on these analytics here. We're going to show you each month here. Now, at the end, I'm a full-time student at university for accounting. And accounting work is hard, it is laborious. Add in streaming, working, and YouTube. And I had a 2-month vacation. That wasn't supposed to be without technology, but I got burnt out and I said, forget it, I'm done. I'm going to take a break. I came back, I forgot my laptop. So we were streaming from our cell phone. Nothing wrong with streaming from your cell phone, guys, if you do it right. And there's nothing wrong with making videos for YouTube on your cell phone if you're doing it right. I suck at editing, but I still did a decent job at pulling people in for my videos. So here we go. We finally get our laptop back in August. And as you see here, we're finally starting to make money again. We didn't make the payout this month, but the addition from the previous months did enable us to still get a payout once we started streaming again. And we've pretty much hit payout the entire time that we've been streaming. And I think maybe this month will be the first month we actually don't. We're 17 days in. We've only made $42 revenue. Not a big issue, but we may or may not hit the Twitch payout period this month. But at the same time, we might. So, this is not the only thing we have for income. Let's go ahead and look back all the way to April as I talk about the other sources of income I have for streaming. So in this year alone, so far, from April 1st to now, we've made it $700. Without the break right here, we probably would have been in the thousands. Now, we don't actually get to use all that money. We have to keep about 15 to 20% of that aside for taxes. If you file your taxes right with the right write-offs and everything else, you don't need to keep that much aside. But you want to be safe rather than sorry because, Uncle Sam wants his money. Now, besides this, we were also donated through PayPal through our Streamlabs or Stream Elements tipping page around probably, I would say, about another $100, $150 through tips from there. And then we have sponsorship deals from other games. We get sponsorship deals through Stream Elements. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to show these things or not, but we're going to show them. We have our revenue stream from over here for sponsorships. We have Throne Kingdom at War was our first sponsorship deal we had. We made $100 off of them. And then we did Raid Shadow Legends just recently, and we made $150 off of them. And now we have a new Raid Shadow Legends sponsorship, which the link will be in the description below, because we need 15 players to reach level 10. Now, obviously, we only need 5 to meet the goal, the primary goal of this. But the more people we get, the better the payout. And I really want to do the Skyblock servers for Java and Bedrock with this money. So if we can get 15 people to sign up for that deal, you have to be a new account, and you have to use my link and get to level 10. That takes about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on your play style and your play times. But that's one way you can help out the channel if you don't have the money to pay for a sub and stuff like that. That helps out the channel a lot. And it also helps out the community a whole lot. So yeah, that's our Twitch analytics. As you see, we've made easily $1,000 this year, saving about 20% of that. So let's say $800 this year so far in 230 days worth of streaming. Uh, it's been amazing. I When I first started, I had no idea I would ever hit affiliate status. And when I did, I was super excited and I was ready for the long haul. I've watched a lot of videos, obviously, on Twitch payouts, and I was like, hey, cool, we made affiliate status. Now we have the 3 to 4 months to wait for a Twitch payout. And my viewers were like, no, you don't. So I feel very blessed that I've had this type of experience on here from my people, and it's been beautiful, beautiful experience to have people watching me and helping to support me and the channel. And as we grow and we get more people coming in, we can do more things, we can get more things going, and you know, have fun. That is always the goal with my channel, is to have fun and play. I love Minecraft. I do play other games, like we do play New World now. We'll see how long that lasts, whether or not it can hold up to entertaining content or not. I mean, watching me die in a game is always fun, I think. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you are on Twitch, go by, leave me a follow. Check out the content first, though, please. Make sure that you are actually going to be able to watch me and that you enjoy my content. Um, and yeah, go play Raid Shadow Legends, my link below. Ta-ding! Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.